Hi friends, I want to tell you that I am super excited. I just got my new Rode Blogger kit. I'm working more and more on social networks. I'm doing these Amazon reviews. I have some YouTube channels, and I'm getting used to use the Rode brand, Rode accessories. As you can see, I have my Rode wireless microphone here, and I really was expecting this Blogger kit. Let me show you everything it contains. Okay, first of all, okay, here we have three things. This windshield that will help you have less noise from wind and other sounds. You get this compact microphone that you can see. It's kind of a directional microphone. You get this suspension mount where you can put your microphone, of course. This is going to go in top of the camera, of course. Then let me show you this cold shoe extender. This is where you can put accessories like this in top of the camera. Okay, you get the actual grip to put the phone. I want to tell you that this is a universal mount, so no matter which phone you have, I mean, it should fit in this size, but basically all of them will fit. It goes from 65 to 85 millimeters wide, okay? And this is the cold shoe where you're going to put, okay, this accessory. Okay, so now you're getting a feeling of how you're going to work with it, okay? I'm going to show you later everything installed. Okay, also you get this light. This is the USB-C port to charge it. You will fit this also, so when you're vlogging, you'll have enough light on you, okay? Perfect. Also, you get some accessories for the light. You get this diffuser to have a better lighting if you need it. The USB-C charging cable for the light. You get this SC7 cable to connect directly a microphone system to a phone or a camera. If you want to connect it to a phone, you need another accessory, but this is to connect it directly to a camera. And this is the actual tripod. You see, you can grip it with you, or you can put it in a table. Okay, this goes here. Okay. Perfect. So you can use it like that, or you can vlog with it like this. Hi friends. Also, you get these color filters for the light. Okay, so here you have the light filter, and then you put it in the actual. Okay, so I'm going to charge the light, install a phone, and show you how you could be vlogging with this Rode Blogger kit.